Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper jump.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to add a new font to GIMP on Windows. First you need to go to a website where you can download fonts, for example FontSpace or Google Fonts. Then you need to go to the download section, download the font. Here it will be in a zip file. You need to extract this file to a non-zipped folder. Here, this is the right folder. Now double click on the font. Here, install the font. The font will be installed system-wide. In this way, it will be available on every application inside Windows, installed for all users. It is the right thing, the right settings. Now let's go to GIMP and let's try this new font. The font is called English 5, Old English 5. Let's search. Here, Old English 5. Let's see if the font is working. And we see that the font works very well. And this is how to install a new font in GIMP for Windows. See you later, guys.